What's going on YouTube? It's obviously early as fucking o'clock. As y'all can tell, my fucking nose is plugged, which is not what I wanted for this video. I'm gonna go head over to Rand crib, install all this shit on his 2013 Super B. Oh yeah, that bitch sound nice. Early as hell in the morning. Man, fuck the neighbors. Oh yeah. See y'all. I'm gonna give y'all some pulls. I'm gonna meet y'all there. That bitch is stupid. Holy fuck. I just woke up. Already went 100. Gosh damn, bro. This fat ass truck in front of me. I love smelling gas. Or tires, bro. That shit just smells like America. On some bullshit. Nigga finally getting the fuck up out of the way. We're gonna get the road to ourselves. I'm broke. Should I pass this nigga up? Chad, I think we should. Check. Oh no, this nigga coming. This bitch is fucking. This bitch woke me the fuck up immediately. Alright, bet, so we pulled up. We see we got everything outside. You got the motherfucking GTR. Bands, track, what we're here for, Super B. Which is nice as hell. Let's see what we gonna do. We're gonna swap these seats out quick as hell. Some YN shit, I'm gonna see how fast I can do it. But, hell yeah. Gonna get to it. Alright, bet. First thing you're gonna do when you pull up, so these, you gotta come to the back, grab your motherfucking 3.8. That bitch will fit right in. So what you're gonna wanna do is hit all four sides of these seats. See, both of them bitches are out. I already went ahead and took the other seat out. Gotta get out this motherfucker right quick. Come back over. Let this bitch go back. No way, this is as far as it goes, man. Fuck. Shit, it still fits. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna take that bitch out. Stripping. Hold up. Let me check this. It's not stripping this bitch. Nah, I got it right. We're gonna have to take this big bitch over the other side. Maybe I'm the big bitch. Make sure you grab it in the same spot. So that bitch is in. Yeah, that bitch is out on bro. Let's see. Grab these 4 screws. 1, 2. I'm gonna just lean this bitch back forward so we can grab the back too. Let's see, the bitch is under here. Got one, and the other. Alright, bet got all four of them bitches. We're gonna have to flip the seat back. You see under here, you got the harness. You gotta pull this one down. Pinch that motherfucker out. Then you wanna grab you a T50. I'm gonna put this bitch on the lowest setting. I gotta adjust it. All right, babe. Y'all get the gist of that. Both front seats out. I come back here. Bro, grab this one right here. Pull it forward. Same thing with this one right here. Pull it forward. See right here, you're gonna see all the studs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another 2 down there, I'm pretty sure. All right, bet. So I got the motherfucking impact in. You gotta come back, grab these 18 mils, make sure it comes in. Just come out easy. Fucking butter, nigga. Let me see that bitch. Man, fuck you. Where else? This bitch comes off to the side. This bitch, I'm pretty sure is good. Let's pop out. If I remember correctly, yeah, this bitch is supposed to. Again, I can't do this shit with one hand, so y'all have to bear with me. All right, bet. So next step is to grab these, flip them over, and you gotta open them up. What you gotta do is you gotta grab these bungee cords, bring them down. This shit'll lift up. You gotta come under here, don't tear it. You just gotta kind of bolster it up. Here, I can't do this shit with one hand. Let me get back at you. All right, but once you got them bitches out, you wanna come up under here. You gonna grab this one. You gonna lift it up and pull. Come up, lift it up and pull. And then 1, 2, 3rd motor's back here. This one you wanna push and pull. Hold on, I'm gonna need 2 hands. And then with this one, obviously, just a little pinch and pull. And as long as you got that, you gotta come up under here, do the same thing. Another little pinch and pull. Let me see where else. Just everything you really just gotta unplug. Both sides of each. Let me see. Once you got them bitches down, there's another one right here. You gotta pinch it and pull it. Like everything else, you just gotta make sure to leave the motors and shit, because in reality, we pulling this whole thing out. So just don't try to fuck nothing up. It's just impossible with one hand, bro. Y'all understand what I'm saying, though. I'm just unplug this one, and then I'll give y'all the next step. All right, as y'all can tell, I got everything unplugged. What you gonna wanna do is take the little screw out of here. You gonna pop that bitch out, and you can see both the harnesses right in here. So you just gotta pinch them out. This is just really undoable with one hand. Once you get everything unplugged, you gotta pop this whole shit out, bro. You gotta make sure you take everything with you. I got this shit stuck. I just gotta feed it through. You gotta pull this shit out on this side, and then just plug it all back up in the other one, in the newer seat. So we got everything, took out the old seat. Now it's in the new seat, everything is plugged up. There's gonna be some things that you're not gonna have, like, I don't know what this is, I'm gonna be honest. It's probably the memory seat, or we got the cooled seats up here, or cooled and heated, or whichever the fuck shit that the other seat didn't have, you're not gonna be able to get. So I got all that shit plugged in. I'm gonna install this bitch right quick, because I gotta get the fuck on. All right, bet. So we got this bitch complete. Y'all see the motherfucking Super B. The SRT wheels. Big old 392. Just gotta do the headlights and shit next. We gotta come up to it. Finna see. It's that OEM. It's that OEM shit, nigga. Ain't no other way to do it. back pieces back there. I forgot. Talking about some. Oh yeah, this bitch comfortable. I'm ready to fuck in the back of this bitch, bro. But yeah, bro, we got this bitch 80,000 on the clock. This that shit on, bro. Got everything plugged up. My car ready to go. Fuck that shit. I'll take the motherfucking switch on me. I'm getting ready to go. Let me see. Big old cat. Bitch back here, that's what I'm worried about. I should be straight. Yeah. Hope you young niggas learn something today. Oh yeah. Finna get the fuck on. Leaving just how we came. Really hope y'all enjoyed this video, bro. It's a little bit more of some random serious shit, but I really appreciate y'all for watching this. Thank you.